In this tutorial, you'll be learning some basic things you can do in Peti-Peti and how to build a simple weekly planner like this. Firstly, you need to know how to add boxes. To add a new box, click this icon. This is the icon to add boxes inside of boxes, and as the new web page is a main box on its own, we have to do this first. To add a box inside this new box, also click here, and to add a box beside it, click here. It will be good if you get used to and learn how to view everything as boxes, as it would help immensely with planning the layout of Peti-Peti. For example, this planner mainly consists of 2 columns. So add 2 boxes, then go to this icon in box B to pick the layout, which in this case is grid 1-1. I recommend using predefined layouts in Peti-Peti as they are web responsive. This means the layout will adjust automatically on the smaller screen like the mobile phone. As in the example, these 2 boxes at the top are for the title and date respectively. You can click on the box to type the content in, or click on the pencil to add text into the box. I recommend using the pencil for when you need to add HTML options inside for more complex text work. Now we work on the first box. Just add the text, choose a font if you want, and center the text. To change font size, click here. You can use either PX or RAM. To make the box empty, hide the text. Do the same for this second box here and clear the box line for the first one while changing the radius of the second one to whichever radius values you want. The bigger the radius, the more rounded the corner becomes. As you can see, it's the same 7 boxes here. For the first box, it is basically 1 main box and 3 sub-boxes. So, insert a new box inside the existing 2 boxes to create a new section, which is the first of the 2 main boxes here. Then add a box with 3 sub-boxes inside. Then, use grid 1 or use the maximize minimize to expand the boxes. Next, insert the day and content. After that, click on this icon to add bullet points and the like. I pick a box to use here. Now you can pick the colors. Click on this to change the color of the box. You can pick from the presets or use your own color here. A cool thing you can do here is, if there is a particular color you want to pick from somewhere else, you can do so. Ensure it is on the same page, such as placing the window beside this current browser and picking the color. To change the color of the text, you can do so here, and the color picker option is the same as the background color. You can also change the color of the text background instead of the whole box here at this icon. Once satisfied with the box, you just need to copy and paste the box. Here at this icon, you can copy this box and its contents. In Peti-Peti, there is this thing called a temporary store, where your copied and deleted items are temporarily placed until replaced. So just copy this box and select this icon. This icon is to put these boxes inside the main box. If you want to place it beside the main box, click this icon instead. Now you just need to change the text and we can move on to the next box. In this box, there are 3 boxes here. The third one is different, so we will focus on the first 2 boxes. There is an extra spacing option here, as you can see, using margin to space out the boxes. Use this option if you want to have certain spacing in between your boxes. You can also do it for the text here, where it will affect the spacing of the text between the box. For spacing in between lines and letters are these 2 icons here. Now, the following works the same as the previous boxes, just with more rows for text, so I will speed through this section. For this timetable, it was a bit complicated to make. Do head over to the video tutorial for this particular box for more in-depth information. Now you have made a simple weekly planner. You are free to change colors as you like and play around with the layout and settings.